Hello everyone. In this, we will continue with our solving of December 2024 question paper of Business Mathematics and Statistics of CMA Foundation. This is part 6, question number 28. Given n is equal to 10, summation of x is equal to 120, summation of x square equal to 1690, then standard deviation is what? So standard deviation can be, the formula will be summation, square root of summation x square divided by n minus x bar, the whole square. Here, summation x is given already. So our x bar will be sum x by n. Sum x is given as 120, n is given as 10. So x bar is 12. Now this becomes then square root of 1690 divided by 10 minus 12 square. That is square root of 169 minus 144, which is root 25. So the result is 5. So our option will be option C. Let us move on to the next one. If the means of sample 1 and sample 2 be 20 and 50 respectively, and the mean of the combined sample be 30, find the percentage of observations in sample 1. So here, x1 bar for the first sample is given as 20, x2 bar is given as 50, combined mean of the sample, that is x bar, is given as 30. We have the formula x bar is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. So we can substitute now. 30 is equal to n1 into 20 plus n2 into 50 divided by n1 plus n2. Cross multiplying, we get 30 n1 plus 30 n2 is equal to 20 n1 plus 50 n2. That is 30 n1 minus 20 n1 is 50 n2 minus 30 n2. That is 10 n1 equal to 20 n2, which means n1 is 2 times n2. Now, percentage of observations in sample 1. So, percentage of n1 in total will be n1 divided by n1 plus n2 multiplied by 100. So that will be equal to n1 is 2 times n2, 2 times n2 plus n2 into 100. That we will get 2 n2 divided by 3 n2. n2 and n2 gets cancelled into 100. So that will give you 66.67%. That will be the solution. So our option will be option A. Let us move on to the next question. For a frequency distribution, CV is 4% and the standard deviation is 6. Coefficient of skewness is 1.5. Find the mode basically. So CV is given as 4%. So we can write it as 0.04. That is sigma divided by x bar. Sigma is given as 6 by x bar, which means our x bar will be 6 divided by 0.04, which will give you 150. Now, coefficient of skewness is given as 1.5. So, coefficient of skewness is given as 1.5, and the formula which is related to mean and mode will be mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. So mean is known to be 150, mode is unknown, standard deviation is known to be 6. So we will have now 6 into 1.5, which is 9. 9 is equal to 150 minus mode, which means mode is 141. So our option D is the right option. Let us move on to the next question. If 2y minus 6x equal to 6 and mode of x is 21, then mode of y is what? Let me rewrite this equation. 2y equal to 6 plus 6x. That means dividing both sides by 2, y is equal to 3 plus 3x. Now we can say mode of y is equal to 3 plus 3 times mode of x. So this is 3 plus 3 times mode of x is known to be 21. So this is 63 plus 3, 66 is your mode of y. Let us move on to the next question. Covariance of x comma y is 12. Byx is 4 by 3. Then variance of x is what? So byx is nothing but r into sigma y divided by sigma x. R is covariance of x comma y divided by standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. Then we will write those sigma y and sigma x here. This sigma y gets cancelled. Covariance is known to be 12 divided by sigma x, the square. This byx is already given as 4 by 3, which means our sigma x square will be 12 into 3 divided by 4. That becomes 9. So our question is to find out the variance. So variance of x is 9. Let us move on to the next question. The value of rank correlation lies between its same -1 and 1. That means our option B. That is the right option. Let us do the other problems in our next video.